Now let's just find the 0 of the polynomial for the third and for the fourth part. So the third part is px is equal to 3x. Let's just find out the solution of this particular part as let if suppose p of x is nothing but is equal to 0. So we know that the p of x is nothing but given to us as 3 of x. So substitute p of x as 3 of x over here. So it will be like 3x is equal to 0. Now let's just find out the value of x. So it would be like x is equal to 0 by 3. Obviously 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. So hence at the end what is the value that we are getting? We are getting x as nothing but is equal to 0. So let's just check this value that whether the answer what we are getting is correct or not. So let's just check the answer. Let's just check the answer as the polynomial function is given to us as p of x is equal to 3 of x. Substitute x is equal to 0 over here. It would be like 3 into x. In place of x, we have to substitute 0. So it would be like 3 into 0 and 3 into 0 is nothing but 0 again. So p of 0 is 0. It means it is satisfying the definition of the 0 of the polynomial and hence x is equal to 0 is nothing but the answer means the 0 of the polynomial. Now let's just see the fourth part. For the fourth part, again we have to substitute let if p of x is nothing but is equal to 0. Again, p of x is nothing but given to us as cx plus d, where c is non-zero and c and d are any real numbers. So if p of x is equal to 0, it means cx plus d is nothing but is equal to 0. Now in order to find the value of the x, we have to transpose d towards the right hand side. So it is like cx which is equal to 0 minus of d. Again we can say cx is nothing but is equal to minus of d. Further we can say transpose the value c towards to the right hand side. So it would be like minus of d by c. So at the end what we are getting the answer as x is equal to minus of d by c. Again we can check the solution that we are getting is correct or not by substituting this value into the polynomial function again. So let us suppose we are checking our result. So substitute the value x is equal to minus d by c in the given function. So it would be like p, in place of x I am writing minus of d by c, which is equal to cx. In place of x we are writing minus of d by c plus of d. Now we can cancel c and c altogether as c into 1 is definitely c. So it would be like minus of d into 1 is minus of d plus of d. Both the variables are same, having the opposite signs. So both of them get cancelled with each other. So at the end what we are getting the answer as nothing but 0. So p of minus of d by c is nothing but is equal to 0. Hence the definition of the 0 of the polynomial is verified. It means that this is nothing but our answer means the 0 of the given polynomial function p of x is equal to cx plus of d.